Okay, let's look at some very simple solving of equations here. I want to look at this problem here first, and the first thing you do is identify your variable and try to isolate the term that the variable is in. I notice I've got a plus 2 here, and the way that I undo a plus is with a subtraction. So if I were to subtract a 2 from each side, I'll go minus 2 plus 4a. Whatever I did to the left, I have to do to the right. So now this minus 2 cancels the plus 2, and all I'm left with is the 4a. So I have 4a equals 14 minus 2, which is 12. Now I have 4 times a, right? There's multiplication right there, whether we know it or not. And the way to undo multiplication is by dividing. So if it's a times 4 or 4 times a, I'll divide by 4. Whatever I do to the left, I have to do, what I have to do to the right. Okay, whatever I do to the left, I have to do to the right here. Okay, so these 4's cancel. 4 divided by 4 is 1. I'm left with just a. That's what I want. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So a must be 3. That's how we do that. Okay, an even simpler one over here. Let's look at x minus 13 equals minus 23. X is being, or 13 is being subtracted from x. So if I were to add 13 to each side, and I'll do this vertically this time, okay? If I were to do that, minus 13 plus 13 leaves me with just x. All right, minus 23 plus 13 gives me a minus 10. Well, I'm done. That's all I had to do. X equals minus 10. If you want to check your answer, what's minus 10 minus 13? Well, it equals minus 23, which is exactly what the problem says, so it does check out. Okay, up here I didn't check this one, but if I plugged in a 3 for a, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, it did work. Okay, let's look at a few more, okay, involving fractions here, all right? So now let's look at this one here. I'm going to try to do the y over 6. Notice that this is division. I want to get this term all by itself. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So I can multiply both sides by 6. Whatever I do to this side, I have to do to this side. So I'll multiply by 6. 6 divided by 6 cancels. I'm left with just y. 2 times 6 is 12. There's my answer. It's that simple. Okay, moving over here, let's go with the green one. All right, 1/3 times c. If I am multiplying by 1/3, okay, that is the same as dividing by 3. So if I just multiply this side by 3, and I'll rewrite it, okay, 1/3 times c, if I multiply by 3, that's what's going to cancel this 1/3. So whatever I did to the left here, remember I multiplied by 3 to get rid of the 1/3. 1/3 times c is like dividing by 3. So dividing, I canceled with a multiplication by 3. I have to do the same on this side. So if I multiplied by 3 on the left, I have to multiply by 3 on the right. This 3 cancels the 1/3, as I said earlier, leaving just c. My variable is isolated. 12 times 3 is 36, and I'm done. There we go. Let's test it. Plug 36 in for c up here. Okay, 36 divided by 3 is 12. 12 is 12. It works. Over here, try this 12. If I plug in y for 12 up here, okay, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Well, that's what I originally had. Okay, so it does work. That's how you solve those simple equations.